Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Deb 3 TV. This is a Pass and Move special. Today's episode is proudly brought to you by Lucky Bets. You can kindly register with Lucky Bets at luckybets.co/register. My brother Ushab.
Ngishabu kakhulu Skipper.
Welcome to Deb 3 TV.
Hayi siyabonga.
Bhuti wami, ama-Warriors versus i-Islander, ibhoso. Uyibona njani igame namuhla?
Namhla kube kumnandi ngoba i-team yelizwe lonke iyabidlala le team yelizwe. So akube kumnandi kakhulu.
Phinda futhi
i-team yezwe lonke idlala le team yelizwe. So hayi akube kumnandi kakhulu.
Ngicela prediction yakhe namuhla.
2-1 in favor of Islanders.
2-1 in favor of Islanders.
2-1 in favor of Islanders.
Nice one, my brother. Namhla ngiyakholisa ngoba abantu abaningi ama-correct score. Uyabheja?
Ngiyabheja.
Namhla sabale Lucky Bets. Yazi Lucky Bets?
Hayi angizake ngizwe ngayo vele.
Alright, from namuhla you can go to Google labanani. Uthi utype uthi luckybets.co usufaka umqalo kana kaphambili /forward ususithi register. Kuzaphuma khona ba Lucky Bets ufaka ama details akho uregister. Nxa ulenhlanhla yakho khona bana uhle udlale. Nxa uthanda ukufly from China ama casino kumbe ibhora konke kukhona khona bana.
Maye ama-local bhora bayakhipha
Clean.
because bajayele ukufaka yi-2 amabhora laphana ufaka wesikhiweni so singasakwazi.
Wona lawa yi-2 uyabheja nxa ulenhlanhla ufaka ama-Corisco uzibambela imali yakho clean.
Hayi sesizwile sisabheja lathi.
Nice one, my brother.
So i-2-1 and 2-1 in favor of Islanders.
Nice one, my brother. Brother, welcome to Deb 3 TV.
Yes, for the first time in history in Bulawayo. Thank you very much. You are bringing national team, but we have got something which we have got to say. The people who played for Islanders, they will not give any interest in Papa Phillips. They were asked to pay money. How can Johannes Ngozo pay money in Papa Phillips? It's an independence. It's 46. Which is wrong. So we are trying by all means, let's be one and united. But unfortunately, we are. Yes, but what they did today.
We are not happy.
We are not happy as Islanders supporters. We are Zimbabweans.
Okay, my brother. Mana is my sister.
Oh, my sister.
Welcome to Deb 3 TV.
Ukudlala abadlali esila bafana bekungutshilo phana. Asiyali bazamile. Yi-draw. Stay tuned, stay connected. Thank you very much.
Thank you, my sister.
Zimbabwe first team and it go the Islanders second team. So which means the Islanders leyan yomele khambe ngale Zimbabwe the first team ibuyele ngale betrain abafana because Zimbabwe first second team eBotswana is very good. These boys are very good. They played very well. Thank you very much.
Thank you, my brother. My brother, thank you so much. Welcome to Deb 3 TV.
Hello, how are you? Yes, thank you. Highlanders played a nice game, but the problem is Benjani Morowarum must go back to England or whatever, wherever he came from, because he's spoiling our team.
But the Island is Mnandi. How is he spoiling the team?
Island is Mnandi, but this is not Islanders used to. They can play football, but they can't strike. We need strikers, we need gunmen. Yes, but I'm happy because we beat the Lions. Tina were Reds, we beat the Lions.
It's true. My brother, welcome to Deb 3 TV.
Yebo linjani tela. Uyabona mina into engiyibonileyo. Kuproveke ipoint. Ngama players ahlale khethwa ku Zimbabwe. Ngoba iZimbabwe le umuntu uyahamba ekhetha umuntu okuSheffield Wednesday. I-team efanana lapha enhlala khona asithi ichi like East Rovers. East Rovers ku D2. Yes. Kuyekhethwa ngokuthi umuntu uhlale eEngland. But lapha kule team mana ngingafaki Highlanders. Mana ngafaki team yami. Sorry. Mana ngafaki Highlanders. Uyachiya umuntu okuSimba Bora. Uyakhetha umuntu okuSheffield Wednesday. Uyakhetha umuntu okuLincoln City. Babe yini into beyidlala. Not even 5 passes. So iZimbabwe le ayizama ukukhetha ama players not ukuthi kuthiwe hayi ngoba udlala eEngland.
Kuyazwakala my brother. My brother.
Yes, bro.
Ushap.
Ngirathi kakhulu mntaba.
Islanders 0 Zimbabwe 0.
Let me say Mtwakazi nil, Zimbabwe nil. Abafana bakomtwakazi, they displayed a very good game to watch. Basinikile. Otherwise, if I was the one who is the promoter of this tournament, I was going to say Highlanders where the Zimbabwean kitten go and play Botswana. Highlanders played a splendid game.
Thank you my brother.
Asekele nama foreign based mani lapha ngani siyaphambaniseka abantu bebhoso ba right ama local based right abantu abasafuna ukudlala ibhola abadlala ibhola
Nice one my brother.
abantu abangana abalemali bazasiphambanisa eground foreign based no
Next line.
My brother.
Akulanto engayitsho eningi but into singayikhulumela iqiniso. Singathatha ibhoso sibe sesidinga umuntu okwazi ukuhlohla. Ibhoso ilo keeper ile defense ile ama striker but asikwazi ukuhlohla sonke ukuthi ibhoso siyakwazi ukuhamba even eBotswana thina njalo sichanele labantu abasuka emazweni baqinile onakamba izibuno zinkulu siyababona but singaqatsha umuntu ngemali ngokuthi ngoba uzozidlela ilizwe asiqatheni umuntu ngokuthi ngoba local siyabonga.
Nice one my brother.
Alright, mina ngisaport ibhosa ama-Warriors anandaba lapha nosicela ubhenji asithengele uNoxie Mtizwa sila striker. Unoxie kabuye ku-Highlander kubhoso. Sifuna striker so that you can score goals. Ama-Warriors lokho hayi bazobona.
Mali lokho umuntu uyakhuluma. Uyakhuluma. My brother.
Umsekelo webhoso mthalante. Hayi ngizobuhlungu just ku striking force anti. Sisalima la kubhoso but we played very well. I think ibhoso should admit ubhoso meli eBotswana yona. Ama-Warriors esale lapha. But we played very well. Singathi nje usoselect ama team but we played very well better than national team. Thank you.
Nice one my brother. Nyamni. My brother what's up?
Mina ngishabu mina yabona abalandeli bebhoso. Ayibhoso siyadlala shem. Ikoli bona sidlale lokhuzele national team. But asila ma strikers phambili bafowethu. Sicela silungisise team yethu sesizwile ngama draws bafowethu. Asilungisise nama draws semanengi. Nampla i draw number 4 bafowethu.
Asifuna 5.
Ngu5 mbona ngu4 ngo number 5 namhlanje udraw mato asilungisiseni phambili team yethu right idlala kamnandi bafowethu phambili ngebhoso.
Nice one my brother.
Yeah.
Mana ngicela uphuthas. My brother.
Sifuna addressa indaba yama-draw kubhoso yona le. Yabona uMaruwaru ulungisile i-team isidlala. uMaruwaru ngu-Amorim. Kade sisifuna uKariki ohlohlayo kuphela siqeda ibhora i-team is right. But sisifuna uKariki kuphele lokho.
Nice one my brother. Mana ngaphuthilo.
Yeah.
My brother.
Yeah, Aisha Pujas keep on
My brother Islanders 0 Zimbabwe 0.
That shows ukuthi besiyenza into elentshokontsho sizamile ngendlela zonke. Ngabona sesithrowa labantu bethu abeka laba bathembe ngalalaba lawa bo president besizama ngendlela yonke in a responsible way but i problem iwane but the problem ilapha ngabona kuma nationals but yami ngicela ukuthi lifaka lama Warriors lawo awebhoso.
Ora mana is my sister. Mana is
mina ngithi Danko president wama 2K Setulingwa
Mbalu president wama 2K.
President wama 2K uyi1 umongameli Chuma uGolide
Nyawulithu Siza check ungasivaleli phela. My brother.
Yebo unjani?
Islanders 0 Zimbabwe 0.
Right, it's a challenge to both sides out together. So I think the coaches, both sides, they have an assignment to deal with. Warriors, they are out of the comfort zone. Then ibhoso la out of the comfort zone. So both sides are the homework.
Alright, thank you my brother Sabong. Mana is my brother. My brother what's up?
Mina ngishaba for unjani?
Islanders 0 Zimbabwe 0.
Yes, Islanders 0 Maura 0. Inkinga ikhona ba 4-1. singakhangelelini ama-players amadala and ama-players amadala sephelelwa umsobho and sebekwazi badlala njani benza njani and kulabafana abancane abasele opportunity and asibafakeni yibo abafana bazaswinisa isquad bekhiphe yonke into nothi sikhangela abantu abadala ukuthi hey ngubani isenza amabizo singasebenzeni ngababizo asisebenzeni ngathi ukuthi umfana lo ule performance engcono kulo bhudas wakhe lona ubani okhona kusquad and nothi sikhangela ukuthi hayi ngubani lo ngubani kanti singayenzi njalo bafethu asikhangeleni khona.
Nice one my brother. Mana ngizubhudas uthi yaze coach uthini yabuya ku. My brothers keep on.
Asheras keep on.
Amna emnandi. Islanders 0 Zimbabwe 0.
Ayabona ibhozo ayidlalile. But inkinga ukuthi uphuzu kufaka uRaush. Lo ogabe ufunakala lapha. Kuba forceful phambili ngalo because iZimbabwe vele ama Warriors abo ungala lutho, bekungela threat ngitsho. Bekungena ngitsho lana besichaya ngathi abe kulo Raush early lo oga abe sokudukula lokwana vele kuyiteam kwethu lokho hayi. Because bekuyi team yezwe lonke versus ilizwe. Labana bekufiwa arashela vele ngathi awafaka abantu bethu labana be2-1 ngesikhathi siso. Abe siwina kuhle labo.
Nice one my brother.
Shera.
Thank you my brother.
Shaputa siyami.
Mara my brother.
Oh yes Puti.
Keep on.
Today ngifuna ukuthi ngikhulume iqiniso likhona. I-first half ye-Highlanders is always imnandi first half ye-Highlanders. We are always on upper hand. But the second
Mana kancane. Yasipambanisa mjobjana. Yasipambanisa. Kuwavali camera.
Yes.
Putas keep on.
Ngishaputas. Okay. Today we had a nice game. We had a nice game as always a BF because the first half was shona simnandi. Siyabe sisimile celebrate but the second half yethu ningazi ubench ngicela ukuthi azame ukuthi elungisisa angazi kuyini okushotayo i-second half yethu ayikho sharp but on the Warriors side guys we are far we cannot no I have to be honest bra we don't have a team okuthiwa khona iyakwanisa sibili Warriors lana and unakamba yes ungcaptain wethu but angimbonanga and I was expecting a lot from the Warriors lana. Umunetsi guys, let's bring him back. Whether ulama personal disputes lo coach, but it makes it exposes coach loana. Uthi itima layo lana ishota umunetsi lapha. Anyali ngumuHighlander mina. Njalo I don't like ukuthi ngikhuluma indaba ezinje. But umunetsi kabuye.
Nice one.
Umunetsi kabuye.
Nice one my brother. Mana khube lo sisi bese ngikhuluma la.
Khuluma la tamadoda.
Hayi ngiyakhuluma la khulule. My brothers keep on.
Ushaputa siyami.
Islanders 0 Zimbabwe 0 bona njani game?
Hayi phora belidlalwa bra but i-Islanders I'm proud of i-Islanders to be very honest and the way abadlala ngayo uyazi ngicabangani actually bekuyi-country versus country lapha imthwakazi versus Zimbabwe idlale kuhle kakhulu imthwakazi angilanto yokusola but iZimbabwe guys anyway I'm part of iZimbabwe but guys improve you can't do that alingeke idlale njalo idlala phose yalibulala i-Islanders to be honest abantu beZimbabwe ngiyayithanda iZimbabwe kodwa ayidlala ibhola ababe serious.
Thank you my brother. Buya ke ungathini. Mana. Vula ungavali lokhuzeni. Vula space.
Mina nguMr Ndwangwa.
Ndwangwa skipper.
Ngiyakhuluma Putas ngiright ngikhuluma.
Islanders 0 Zimbabwe 0.
Ngi-Islanders ngiZimbabwe yakhona. Umarwaro lapana yena kumele lungisiseni i-strike force i-defense right 100% yena nje ucoacha kumele sibone ukuthi yena nje ucoacha uyenza kanjani ukuthi ezelungisa i-strike force sakhe 100% i-defense 100% ukeeper 100% iZimbabwe yethu but kodwa kwenye ilephutha ngoba yabona lapana bekulama yellow card adomele wanike but azange ephiwe but bekuphiwani i-Highlanders.
Nice one my brother. Thank you very much.
Very problem.
Thank you my brother. Mana ngizuphuthas. Bese sizuvetisa. Well, sonje. My brothers keep on.
Ngishama proud.
Islanders 0 Zimbabwe 0 ibona njani game?
Igame ibe nice kakhulu. But into engicabangileyo engiyibonileyo ngathi kucabanga ngithi i-Islanders is a very good team. I think so far isizini leqalisa and kuligi yethu hayi ngeTikTok yabulala but ucoach wethu unfortunately ngokuphiwa azange sizikhethele kumbe azange babona abakhona ngale ku-admin but so far abafana bethu ibhora badlala inkinga ebekhona kathithi angithi egemini namhlanje ngiza-analyze ngegame namhlanje hayi ama-strikers no azange sibe sharp kuma-strike force ku-strike force angithi but okunye uref ebedlalela ukuthi bayidlala eBotswana athi protector i-national team but amanye ama-fouls athi siwaconsider athi angafuzanga ukuthi charge but I think our team is very best.
Thank you, my brother.
Thank you very much.
Nice one, my brother. Mana ngikume anyabuya mana ngivula bafe. Ngomvulele ungavali camera. Dale buyi bemenga. Ntando skibani.
Oyisitho mlami. Hayi ukusola siyathanda ukusola sibilani. But into emfuna ukuyibuza ukuthi kongona kanti abadlala emazweni ebaphi ngabe ngayilenda kumbe ilabana abeZimbabwe. Ngoba I think ukuthi i-team yelizwe ibhayizile against i-team yelizwe lonke. Nxa sikhangele uBenjani is still maybe new, is still getting acclimatized to i-team asila ama-strikers enjani, maybe you'll get it right. But kuma-Warriors uneBotswana kuhambe yona i-Highland yangona sibili hayi lapana
Mana ngicede kahle buya. My brother
Photwami
Highlanders 0 Zimbabwe 0.
Highlanders sabonga uBulawayo 0 Zimbabwe 0. uBulawayo sizamile, uBulawayo siyazama. Lokho siziyala ngoBenjani sisithi uBenjani so ama players so but i-team yazama. Yikhona isizini iqalisa anti. Kukhona lapha esiyakhona kuyathembisa. Njengoba uJinja ade sitsho lapha ukuthi ngcono i-team yelizwe lonke ihambe yemeli lizwe. Kulokuthi i-team yelizwe ihambe yemeli lizwe lonke. So asizamenini ukuthi i-team yelizwe lonke emelani ilizwe bese mphenduka kini bathathela indaba zale channel. Asikwazi ukuthi last week ngakhuluma angahlanganile inkulumo yami ku social media. Ngicela ilungise khona lapho ngiyabonga.
Manu ngakabale usubscribe ku Tape 3 ku YouTube.
Ngisubscribe
uzazibona ku YouTube ayikona ku Facebook ku YouTube.
Siyabonga i-channel enkulu sibili yafaka abantu abafaka izinto ezilomqoqoqela.
So subscribe.
Njalo wonke umuntu uyasubscribe. Sibekwazi ngokuthi iBhoso uhamba njani, sibekwazi ngokuthi uBulawayo uhamba njani. uBulawayo versus iZimbabwe. Sicela ukuthi next game into zokuthi wena uyadraw Benjani. Asike sime kancane ukudweba anti.
Nice one my brother.
Kancane ukudweba.
Nice one. Mana izuputha dale bese ngicina ngoVetis.
Highlanders fans.
Alright. Mana ngakwambele ungabile press. My brother ushap.
Ngishabu Putas kuhambani.
Highlanders 0 Zimbabwe 0.
Yes, Highlanders fans. Keep your fingers crossed. The game is not yet over. We drew 0-0. We have got the best talent in the world. Let us not make noise. And the team was very much good. It was nice. It was wonderful. The team was passing the ball. And everything was fine.
Sorry. Mani ngaqale kuba no Vetis embuya ku Putas. Asondele manje usavali camera. Vetis
Ethapura yami.
Shaba my brother.
Ngishaba khamba kanjani?
Highlanders 0 Zimbabwe 0 bane njani game?
Yeah, Highlanders 0 Zimbabwe 0. So bemfuna ukuthi ngibe kwazi ukuthi iHighlander ile yathi gqoka igreen kumbe ile yathi gqoka iblack and white ngoba thina i-team ade siyazi ukuthi izomela ilizwe. Ngeyinye engathi mhlawumbe akusaqedakali kodwa sembone ngathi mhlawumbe i-team adimela ilizwe ile emela ilizwe lonke egqoke black and white. I-team enkulu, i-team esabisayo ukuthi ungabona i-team isiba lo X i-team enkulu kakhulu. Ungabona even la sesikolo kufaka u-X uhlube kwazi ukuthi ku dangerous lapha yana. Lungisisa lapha yana. You understand? Yes, uyazi ukuthi kuhle bafowethu isizwe sakithi sakwamthokazi. La nxa sibona i-team yethu isiya draw le team yelizwe. Kuyikuthi khona i-national team iyadlala out of Zimbabwe. You understand? Leyi isala ngapha mina kodwa mbona yathi akuzotshontshwa thizeni lapha yana ngoba sometimes bekuzafanele ukuthi khona national team versus Moz or versus Dynamos kodwa kuhle kwakhethwa yona elizwe lonke ngiyabonga angisoze ngibe too much today ngibonga i-team yelizwe lonke ukuthi i-draw le team yelizwe elikhulu ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Thank you my brother. My brother, welcome to Tape 3 TV.
I'm so happy, I'm so impressed. Yes, the way I'm so surprised why drawer. Where are we getting these 4 draws? That's what we so far. Because so far we are playing above the best. So Benjani, why can't he put the same spirit against what other teams in Premier League like Aguense today? But all in all, I think Islanders was so impressive. I want to just point a finger at one small boy, the left back at 2080.
Good player,
very good player, very impressive player. The boy is, but all in all, the performance was good. Thank you so much, my brother.
Nice one, my brother. Bambara. Thank you. Nice one, my brother. Pinya.
Yebo, nguPinya lo ngithanda ukubo.
Ibizo bani uPinya?
Ibizo lokuthi Pinya is just a name nje ebe mphila ngayo engazalwa ngayo.
Wazalwa ibizo lithi Pinya.
Yebo, bazalwa banika ibizo lokuthi Pinya.
Alright Pinya, Islanders 0 Zimbabwe 0 ubone njani game?
Right, Islanders 0 Zimbabwe 0. Into yokuqala before ngigiva i-comment ukuthi ngiyabonga ukuthi lami sengumuntu ebantwini after 4 years ngivalelwe ejele. Right. Into ekhona i-first game yami leyo yokubona. Senginanzelele ukuthi between i-Islanders lama Warriors. It's just a simple thing yokuthi ilizwe lethu as-improveni guys. As-improveni because akulanto etshintshileyo anti
wena lokho ubuya from phakathi waphuma wabona into kulanto etshintshileyo.
Ayambona nganto etshintshileyo mbuye ngeSaturday actually to be precise ngibona ukuthi ama Warriors le boss yangikhona it's just one and the same thing nganto ngabantu abadlala ibhola lomphepha.
Nice one Pia. Continue coming ebhola siyabonga my brother.
Ngiyabonga vele ngisasekhona.
Nice one. Ungayindawo. Bana semvala. My brothers keep on.
Ngishapra.
Welcome to Tape 3 TV.
Hayi siyabonga.
Islanders 0 Zimbabwe 0.
Okokuqala vele ngithanda ukubonga ukuthi hayi at least sesakhanya lathi ukuthi sikhona kumap bekuhlala iWarriors akazizo izodlala la ama Warriors but adlalile namuhla but ibhoso mina ngicabanga ukuthi hayi ngcono kusala ama Warriors ihambe yona eBotswana yeSmith ngenxa ukuthi idlala engcono kwedlulana ama Warriors so hayi sithi but kushot into encane i-defense right imidi ingcono i-strike force siyasilela kancane cela ukuthi kulungiswe sona ungalungisa sona i-team le yaba right kakhulu so sicela ukuthi kulungiswe khonapho hayi otherwise i-team yethu right
siyabonga but
right kakhulu
mana mvale mfundisi ngizovala mfundisi welcome to Tape 3 TV.
Hayi mina into engayitsho labana sidlalile esengunanzele ukuthi hayi ngcono ibhosi ihlizihambele eBotswana ama-Warriors afonile unakamba kabuyele siyakwathi inceda singamnceda la bekhona lapha kumidi lapha but hayi ibhosi idlalile nje labo ama-Warriors lapha into enginanzelele mina lapha ama-Warriors lapha bawothi sikobulawayo bayenze ngabomu ukuthi badlalisa abafana balapha hayi kodwa hayi nje ibhosi aye phambili singalusa phambili uGunman akula singathola uGunman siyaqeda abaningi laba siyaqeda abaningi sesingahamba abaningi sukanini lapha soku right ibhoso siyaphambili ngebhoso
siyabonga mfundisi
nami ngiyabonga khiwa lami
nice one against Putas Putas keep on
mina ngi right hand
welcome to Tape 3 TV
exactly hand bengicela ukuthi as a nation sibe serious ama players lawa selected awa i nation sibe njani sibe serious and mina I'm a Boza fan but I was expecting ukuthi si win at least what 4-2 i nation win and mina ngilapha ngirepresent the2 ngirepresent the nation ngirepresent the boss but today I was representing in nation asiwineni phela and
what I win eBotswana
it can't while they didn't win ngaphi lapha eBF and how can they win owaben eBotswana and i4 Nations ayewina njani while you didn't have how did you have a shot on target? Did you have a shot on target? How many?
2
versus the club. How many club enzile o shot on target?
Nice one my brother sebonga uyazwakala. Nice one my brother.
Into engiyifisayo mfethu ukuthi sinjani siwine ezinye silapha besibuya sirepresent as an club but besirepresent as a nation.
I don't promise vele uhlale ngihlala ngikhuluma la. Alright. Ngifuna ukuzwa uJama sharp. Ngifuna ukuzwa uJama. Chairman.
Putwama omkhulu.
Welcome to Tape 3 TV Chairman.
I thank you.
Islanders 0 Zimbabwe 0 ibona njani game?
Game is a nice game and into eyenzakala e1 lapha Butasant iyayilenda ngazi ukuthi incindezelwa ngapi but idlala nice game and kodwa thina bese ngesifiso sethu bese sifisa ukuthi yabona iyayilenda yangikhona naleyo singaba le striker ibizaba iZimbabwe yangikhona.
Lesivara meziswa that ukhayelizemu. Masutu, ngokaya. My brother.
Putwam.
Welcome to Tape 3 TV Ushap.
Thank you very much.
Islanders 0 Zimbabwe 0 ibona njani game?
I came right sibile.
Manje utaneleni?
Antana.
Ibona njani game?
I came right. But hayi akula part. Hayi yonke nihambe ngorata hayi asingeke solebane
konke swi
ya konke uswi okwakathesi.
Nice one my brother.
Ngiyabonga bhuti wami.
Sharp. Uswi?
Covered.
Welcome to Tape 3 TV.
Yeah, covered. So
mbona uchayisela uThoni Nakamba Foundation. Ubona njani game?
Hayi ngibone grand. Yeah, it was a good session. Yeah, we practice a grand, it's a good session. Kube practice phambili ukuthi behambe benjani benza kahle. Yeah, hayi but banyuka igame labo namhla Islanders idlalile. Hayi idlalile.
La ubona ngofanayo.
Into engithabelayo ukuthi ungenile umdala uNakamba kuphela. Into engithabelayo kuphela.
Udlale njani nomdala?
Umdala vele into kwazi ingende. So vele udlalela isikhiwa vele kuchiyene labanye. Ikubona ufika watshintsha igame umdala lingende akutshintshe. Bazakhuluma bethini. Chiyene lo muntu odlala eZimbabwe sengiqedile.
Hayi sithi away king mave away.
Nice one Batista. Nice one Batista. My brother Islanders 0 Zimbabwe 0.
I'm not impressed with the score. Yeah, I'm not impressed. Totally I'm not impressed. Yeah. That's how it is. Yeah. I'm not impressed.
Usorani.
Into engisoda but emdala ukuthi maye yabona njengama Warriors bekumele njani ewine vele because ngabantu vele abanjani abadlalile izwe, you understand. Then Islanders yeah kona i-team enkulu asiyali i-team enkulu but ama Warriors vele bezwakhayila kanjani awine. Yeah.
Siswami uvumelana naye?
Yes, mvumelana naye. I'm not impressed. Though well played. Yeah, the players did good. They did good. Yeah, but we did not expect for them to lose. Besifuna bewine. So, but then it's a game. Football is a beautiful game. We enjoyed.
So bonane eBotswana kufone singabuya la trophy.
Yeah, siyabuya la trophy. I'm confident. Trophy siyabuya la eZimbabwe.
Nice one my sister.
Phela le yabona le bengasi game enjani serious beyu game ukuthi vele nabo bebe exercise yabona I understand. So siyabathemba vele ukuthi nabo ngale Botswana trophy banjani bayobuya naye ekhaya and siyobuya la sebesikhona futhi eBotswana siba support ngoba ngesekele.
Nice one my bro. Uyavuma Chairman?
Hayi ngiyavuma sibili ngoba kulomuntu ibhora vele linjani.
Yes sir.
Amen.
One love.
Siyabonga.
It finished here at Baba Face Stadium. Highlanders 0, Zimbabwe the Warriors 0. It has been another interesting episode of a Pass and Move special. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, and also engage us in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please also remember that this episode was powered by a Lucky Bets. Also remember to subscribe as a Lucky Bet subscriber. Thank you so much.